In this video, let me show you how you can create AdSense account for YouTube. If you want to create an AdSense account for YouTube, start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Google AdSense. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to the home page. Now click on the sign up button to create your Google AdSense account. Next, enter the required credentials and log in using your preferred Google account. Just make sure your YouTube channel account and AdSense account are separate. After that, you will be asked to enter a website, but since you're setting up AdSense for YouTube, simply check mark the statement and proceed. Now fill in all the required details, agree to the terms and conditions, and then click on the Start Using AdSense button, and then your AdSense account will be ready. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.